Hey guys, Giga from Polenar Tactical here, and today I will do a video about how to properly reload a pistol. So with a surge of Instagram and a lot of instructors and know-it-alls and gurus, there's a ton of improper ways how to reload a handgun. So today I will show you the proper procedure. Okay, so I have an empty gun here just for this purpose, just to show you. And today I will be showing what is usually called an emergency reload. So this is performed when you empty a magazine and you have to do a fast reload to get your gun back into action. So how it goes? Okay, I am on target, engaging, and then the slide locks back. First, I tilt the gun just a bit to get a visual confirmation that the gun is indeed empty. When I see that, I decide, okay, now I have to reload. I bring the gun towards me, release the grip with my support hand, and already go for the next magazine that's on my belt. Here, I am bringing the gun closer to my face and closer to my workspace. This here is very natural for humans, where we have the most dexterity, and besides that, when I bring the gun here, I can use my peripheral vision to see what I'm doing and also search for other threats. I'm not losing my spatial awareness. So let's go here. This hand goes for the next mag, this hand goes closer here. Just when we learned from the principles of calisthenics, this kind of angle here with the muscles is the strongest one, and you use your bones as support. So it's a very, very solid grip. With this hand we go for the magazine. With this hand we are already pressing the magazine release button. And if the magazine by any chance does not fall down by itself, we are helping it with a flick of a wrist and using the centrifugal force to remove the empty magazine. Like that. And as I said, with my support hand, we are already on the new magazine, a freshly loaded one. For demonstration purposes, this one is unloaded. And as you can see, I'm using this kind of grip to index it. And with this kind of grip, with the finger pointing towards the gun, towards the mag well, I am subconsciously guiding it into the proper direction. Besides that, I can also use it to index it and push it in firmly. Then I push out my hands towards the target, towards the threat, reacquire my grip, and release the slide. And now I'm ready to fire again. So these are the steps, and now I will show it in full speed so you can see how it's done.